Hunting is one of the most primitive habits of man, and fishing has always been most preferred form of hunting. But game fishing is not the most popular sport, especially in this part of the world. Thanks to Agha, one of the pioneers of game fishing in Pakistan, an annual sport fishing gala was held at the coastal shores of the city, which concluded at the WWF Wetland Center at the Sandspit Beach in Karachi. The aim of this event was to promote the sport of angling in this country and create awareness among people regarding the rich marine life around the coastal regions of Karachi.
What prompted me to arrange this gala is that our marine environment, especially the sea, is not only polluted, it is in a shambles. There is hardly any game fish left, and the depletion of sea stocks, fish stocks, is alarming.
Anglers started their day as early as 5 a.m. in the morning, gathering at a rendezvous point to head to Mubarak village, where the tournament organizers handed the team flags. From there, they boarded the small boat, which was a huge struggle by itself, en route to their original horas, where they would start their journey. Once on board, the anglers tied their bait on the fishing rods, dropped their rods into the sea and waited patiently. It's now 3 p.m. in the evening, and so far we have not been very lucky with our catch. Some were lucky, and some returned empty-handed. But the whole journey was fun through and through. After a long, tiring yet thoroughly enjoyable day, this is all we got: 4 barracudas and 4 yellow-winged tunas, which is disappointing by fishing standards, yet we had great fun doing it. The activity concluded at around 6 in the evening, from where the fishermen headed to the WWF Wetland Centers to submit their catch and await the results. The Wetland Centers was abuzz with the activity as a huge festival was arranged there, with the prime aim of creating awareness among people about the marine life. The event was also attended by celebs across the board, who found the activity a healthy and educational insight into the marine life.
There is extensive marine life in Pakistan, the seas of Pakistan. You find fish and stuff over here that you don't find anywhere else in the world. But I don't think Pakistanis generally are aware of this fact, but it's happening slowly and gradually, and as we find out more and more.
Some were also of the view that with angling being such an expensive sport, there should be measures to make it affordable so that it can reach the grasp of a common man.
I think it should be more publicized, so more people should know about it. And this angling is a very expensive game. It should have something like tape cricket. So everybody, even the drivers and everybody, you name it, playing the tape cricket. So they should have a fishing competition for the poor people too.
The event was participated by both male and female anglers who see this as an healthy activity. The winning catch was a cobia weighing 27.5 kgs, and the winning angler was Ali Anjarwala, who said that it was a huge struggle catching this cobia.
It took us around 20 minutes to take the fish out of the water. Caught on a VG90 on a that's a spinning reel, right, and on a casting rod on a 30-pound line.
All in all, this event was a huge success, and in a country where people don't really look beyond the mainstream sport of cricket, hockey and squash, it created awareness as well as educated the attendees about the rich array of marine life along the coastal shores of this country. Faraz Fareed, Dawn News, Karachi.